Hello! To loop home screen on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first of all you need to go into the Galaxy Store, and from here you need to find this application called Good Lock. And after that you'll simply have to install this one and then go into this application, open it. Wait for the app to load in, to open, and from here you have to download this plugin called Home App. And it is available in this list of these plugins available right here. You simply have to download it, and next you have to open it. You have to go into this Home App plugin, and first of all you need to enable the Home App plugin itself, and then you need to be sure that this home screen button right here is also turned on. You have to switch this on, and from here you can go into the loop pages, and from here you have to select home screen, and you can also select app screen and press apply. And from now on, as we swipe in the same direction, the home screen is kind of looped, and also the same happens with the app drawer. As you can see, it's also looped like this. And actually, in case it is not working, this loop on the home screen is not working, you need to press and hold on your home screen and make sure that this media page for the Google Discover or the Samsung Free is disabled. You need to disable this option, and this will solve your problem with it not working. So that's how to do it. Thank you for watching.